everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how to make this shower gel for skin brightening, okay? Not bleaching, okay? If you are searching for something to lighten up your skin, you don't want to bleach your skin, this video is for you. Alright, stop wasting money buying brightening or lightening shower gel in the market. Instead, make it yourself, girl, okay? So, in case you came across my video, you just see my video for the first time. My name is Naya. In this channel, we'll talk about beauty, skincare, DIY, product review, and many more. You are highly welcome to the family. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, okay? So, turn on the bell icon. Alright, so first ingredient is going to be orange peel. If you don't have orange peel, you can use lemon peel, okay? But do not use lime peel, okay? So we are going to be needing 1 cup of orange peel. Alright, after getting your orange peel, you just go ahead and place it on your cookie pan. After that, we're going to be adding 1 cup of water into the pan. We're going to cook this on a low flame, okay? Make sure you turn it a little bit, alright? So after that, you just go ahead and get out the water from the pan, and then we're going to make use of it. So set that aside and get your base soap. You can use any base soap of your choice, but make sure that it's very gentle soap that you're going to use. You don't want to use a lightning base soap, okay? So we are not going to make use of any lightning ingredients in this video. You can use a Dove soap, aloe vera soap, almond soap, and make sure it's just gentle. Make sure you chop your base soap into pieces. After that, you just go ahead and place it on your cookie pan as well, because we're going to mix this, baby. All you have to do is to make sure that you mix this, okay, on a low flame as well. Making this shower gel is 100% safe for all skin types, alright? It does not cause any irritation or break you out. Okay, so after placing the soap on your pan, you go ahead and add 2 cups or 1 cup of water into the pan, and make sure you mix it very well until it melts. After that, you add your orange water, okay? After adding your orange water, you go ahead and mix very well until they are well incorporated. After that, you go ahead and mix turmeric, sugar, and honey. Okay? After mixing these 3 ingredients, go ahead and place 2 to 3 spoons of the mixture into the soap and then mix very well. Then your shower gel is ready. Here you go. You have it. Use it to take your bath, wash your body anytime, any day. This will not give you any irritation or break you out. I promise you, it's 100% natural and safe. So that is all for today's video. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Bye.